This is
Is it
trips.
No, sorry. This is 2, 6, and 7, right? So this is similar to this 6 and 7 is similar to 2, which is above. So this is a 2 out of 3 voting, actually, Chairman.
So same LCV, right? Same LCV.
Yeah, 6, 7 is same as LSAL 030902, which you already did for
This one.
assessment.
The same voting logic.
This one.
Same voting logic.
Emmanuel, this one, right?
Yes,
This one,
yes. Yeah. This is 2 out of 3 voting, actually, with 6 and 7.
Okay. So why we are repeating this? Not unique. Not it's unique, right?
Yeah. Should be.
If it is
Yes,
unique,
yes, unique, yeah.
Should be said.
This is
So
2 out of 3.
Yeah,
Two,
so 2 out of 3.
three consecutive numbers. It must be 3 consecutive numbers.
so let us make it unique. Let me see it's unique. If it is unique, we should not do it.
No, earlier,
Again, it would be ABC 1, 2, 3.
earlier it was only 6 and 7.
Okay,
Because
guys,
already
guys,
we
guys,
have.
guys, if this is unique, let us not do it. Because
Yeah, we'll not do it. Will be the same as 2.
Correct.
We can park today and we'll start with pressure tomorrow when all the pressures are low.
Yeah, you're right. No, you're right. Because today was very
Right,
heavy day.
Chairman?
Yeah, today was very heavy day, man, because today was first day, no? So people are trying
Yeah,
to
correct.
understand normally alarm science is a very
Sure.
very rare workshop. So there are a lot of confusion.